Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Perfectly Imperfect. This is Dilkash and today I'll be showing this eye makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then watch the video till end.
At first, I'll prime my eyes with my PAC primer. You can use any primer instead of this. Apply it all over your eyes. I'm using a tab so that it will be easier for me to draw my eyes. Now I'm concealing my eyes with Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Make sure that you use concealer before applying any eyeshadow. Now taking a beauty blender, I am blending my concealer. Always blend your concealer or foundation well, that it never get crease. Now I'll be using this Morphe X palette. You can purchase this online. Taking the black shade from this palette and applying to my eyes. Again taking the light yellow color and applying to my eyes. Now it's time to apply some glitter. Taking the palette from Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle, I'm using the golden shade. This is super pigmented. You can purchase this online or you can find this in any local store. Trust me, this is super pigmented and I have purchased this from an Instagram page, Fashion Villaa. I will put the link down in the description box so that you can check. And please ignore my mirror, this is very dirty. Now I am using the Maybelline Hyper Gloss eyeliner. This is super black and glossy. Make sure that you use eyeliner after applying eyeshadow. This lashes is from Black Cherry. Use a clear glue. So I'm done with my lashes. Give some mascara to your upper and lower lashes. This is from Maybelline. Now to the favorite part, eyebrows. I am using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade brown, medium brown. I prefer using a lighter color so that it won't look artificial. Now using concealer, I am trying to hide my small hairs on my eyebrows. After using concealer, the eyebrows looks perfect. Now taking a brush, I am blending my concealer well. The concealer is from Maybelline Fit Me. Now taking the same shade from the Morphe palette, I am drawing my waterline. Doing same in the other eye. So finally I am removing my tape, and you can remove all this from your face with a micellar water. Now I am using the highlighter from Swiss Beauty, applying to my inner corner so that it will grab and highlighter. It will give a shiny look to your eyes. taking the Wet n Wild palette and using the white shade to my brow bone. So finally I am done with my eye makeup. You can wear this eye makeup to any kind of party.
This video was helpful to you all. If yes, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notification bell that you never miss any update from our channel. So till then, bye bye, stay tuned.